This is an overlap with atmospheric passages added. An atmospheric passage means in here, I've left it open, which reads to the viewer as atmosphere, which means it'll push that farther back. If I come back here and break it up a little bit more like this, that'll feel even farther back. So this here creates perspective, but this feels like it's right behind this, and this feels like it's right behind this. Here, I'm pushing things back. Okay, so when you're drawing, how do you push things back? Let's talk about that for a moment, okay? The easiest thing is, this is white paper. A soft light line is more like the paper, so it will be in back of a medium line, because a medium line is less like the paper, and the dark line will feel like it's in front, right? Because it's darker. So we draw the fronts of things darker than we draw the backs of things. And we draw the fronts of compositions a little darker than we draw the back. Okay? Now this can change given other things. This is with line drawing, and I'm going to talk about that. Okay? So, what else can we do with a line? A line can be very soft. I always just represent it like this. It can be kind of medium, or it can be hard. And by that, I sharpen my pencil. I take the side of my pencil and I just am drawing soft-edged, hard lines. Those are very, very weak. Then if I come in and make the lines a little bit stronger, you see how you see that first and that second. If I come here and make this with very clean edges, first, second, third. So hard edges trump medium edges, trump soft edges. Light is weaker than medium, is weaker than dark. Thin is weaker than middle, is weaker than thick. See? And a dark, thin line is more powerful than a really fat, soft line, light line. Okay? All right, so you can do 9 things with your pencil. This is it. A really good draftsman can do all 9 in one stroke, though. They lay the pencil down, they get dark, they get light, but that's what the pencil does. It's soft, it's hard, it's light, it's medium, it's dark. It's thin, it's thick. All right? So if I come in here and I start doing this, this is going to come forward more. See? Because now this line is pushing it in front of that one. There's a basic rule of thumb. Any line that passes over another line should be a little darker. See? Look at the difference. If I do this to this, and then I come in here and I darken this, see how it comes right forward. Okay? Now this is stuff that, by the way, this is the one trick that cartoonists had in animation for the entire period of traditional animation. This is the one thing they had right here, an overlapping flanks. Okay? This is another kind of overlap. All right? The other thing you're going to notice is simple and complex when you're inside. So, we have different kinds of simple and complex. If I'm going to draw a tree, are you guys freezing? Is everybody okay? Do you guys need to take a break?